Hi friends, this is Ashutosh Jha, Director of the Migration Bureau, and we are back with a new video. In today's video, we'll be talking about the skilled worker visa category for the UK. So without any further ado, let's get started. A skilled worker visa allows you to come to or stay in the UK for performing an eligible job for an approved employer. This visa category has replaced the Tier 2 General Work Visa. If you are an EU, EEA or Swiss national and you started residing in the UK before 1st January 2021, you may be eligible to apply for the EU settlement scheme. Otherwise, you will need a visa to live and work in the UK. Now let's talk about the eligibility for the skilled worker visa. To qualify for a skilled worker visa, you must work for a UK employer that's been approved by the Home Office, have a certificate of sponsorship from your employer with information about the role you have been offered in the UK, do a job that's on the list of eligible occupations, be paid a minimum salary. How much depends on the type of work you do. Please note that you must have a confirmed job offer before you apply for this visa. You must be able to speak, read and write in English. You will need to prove your English language proficiency before you apply for the visa. Now let's talk about how long can you stay. Your visa can last up to 5 years before you need to extend it. You will need to update or extend your visa in case your visa expires or you change jobs or the employer. You can apply to extend your visa as many times as you like, as long as you still meet the eligibility requirements. After 5 years, you may be able to apply to settle permanently in the UK. This will give you the right to live, study or work in the UK and also claim benefits if you're eligible. Now, how to apply for this visa? You must apply online. How to apply will depend on whether you are outside the UK and are coming to the UK, inside the UK and extending your current visa, inside the UK and switching from a different visa. If you want to change your job or employer, you must apply to update your visa. You can include your partner and your children in your visa application to stay in the UK if they're eligible. Now, how long does it take? You can apply for the visa 3 months before you are due to start your work in the UK. This date is listed on the certificate of sponsorship. As part of your application, you will need to prove your identity and also provide your documents. You may need to allow some extra time if you need an appointment to do this. You will find this out if you need one when you start your application. Once you have applied online, proved your identity and submitted your documents, you will usually get a decision on your visa within 3 weeks if you are outside the UK, 8 weeks if you are inside the UK. Now, let's talk about what you can and cannot do with your skilled worker visa. With a skilled worker visa, you can work in an eligible job, study, bring your partner and children with you as your dependents, if they are eligible, take on additional work in certain circumstances, do voluntary work, travel abroad and return to the UK, apply to settle permanently in the UK if you have lived in the UK for 5 years and meet the other eligibility requirements. You cannot apply for most benefits or the state pension, change jobs or employer unless you apply to update your visa. So friends, this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you got some useful information from this informative video. If you got value out of this video, please like, comment and share the video. And for more information, log on to our website, which is mentioned in the link below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha, Director of the Migration Bureau, signing off until next time.